This is a slider crank mechanism. It's able to translate rotational input energy into linear reciprocating motion on the output side. This particular design is a little bit more involved to design, and if you want to know the mathematical description of how to do it, check out Thang's video in the link below. You can see the final product here. Everything is 3D printed with the exception of the hot glue used to hold it together. In motion, it runs pretty smoothly. There is a little bit of lubrication on the slide bar, a little bit of silicone grease, and it made some difference. You'll notice when you run a drill at 800 RPM, everything runs just fine. Pretty smooth, back and forth. That motion back and forth creates vibrations, but overall it seems to run fairly well. It seems like a fairly sturdy design. Looking at it in slow motion, you can see how the effect of that slider bouncing from left to right and left to right causes everything to shake around and shimmy around. Also, that gear doesn't help either. So overall, is this something that you can 3D print? Is this something that works? I'd say yes, this works very nicely. This is definitely something you can print and probably use for whatever you need. I've been inspired to learn more about mechanical design by retired mechanical engineer and YouTuber Thang010146. His YouTube channel has over 3,000 mechanical animations that he created himself, and he's constantly creating new ones almost daily. I've been a fan for a while now, and I would like to challenge myself to recreate some of his designs and 3D print them to see how well they function out of a printer. He's a genius. You gotta check him out if you're interested.